I'm Christian, this is Kylo, and this is our rolling home, the Condor. I went full-time almost over a year now, and about 2,100 miles later, ended up back home in Christian's old stomping grounds. Reconnecting with family and making some much-needed repairs, but now it's finally time to pack up and get back on the road. This is WoahItsChristian.
Happy holidays, happy new year, how you been? It's been like 2.5 weeks, maybe, I don't know. It wouldn't be a new year if we didn't have more RV troubles, huh? My silly dummy self, well, first of all, let me just clear this out. It's been cold, so, and I haven't run the RV since I parked it, and that was in October. It is January 2020. It's January 2026, and I haven't run it since last year, so I went to crank it, and the battery's completely dead, and also the battery is almost 4 years old. Yep, so I just got back from AutoZone. I got a battery charger, jumper, cable, battery charger, whatever. So I'm gonna go hook it up and try to crank the Condor and have her run for a little bit, because she needs to warm up. She's a little cold. It's 40 degrees right now, but yeah, let me go put a jacket on and we will go. Kylo, everyone's hearing your pitter patter. Hey, this place is an absolute disaster. I'm kind of afraid to even pick up the camera right now, but this is just gonna be an outside video, so everything's a little crazy in here. It's been a little busy handling projects. Remember, we're moving RVs in the summer, so downsizing. All right, let's go get this Condor cranked. All right. $12-volt. Yep, there we go. Red light. Hopefully you can see that. All right, I'll give that a little bit. Whoa, vlogception! Oh my God, say hi, everybody! Ah, that's so cool. But yeah, I'm here charging the Condor. The battery's dead. She's been sitting since Halloween, so she hasn't run once since 2025. But yeah, it's so cool. Snap camera, but yeah. Excuse me, get out of my seat. Move, dude. Move. All right, let's see. The lights are coming on at least. Alright, I put a fuel stabilizer in the gas tank. I'm gonna give the gas a few pumps. Let's see. Nope. Yeah, still needs a few more minutes. Wind this window up. Oh yeah, it's dying. The chime's like slowly dying out. Oh no. Oh my God. Come on, come on. No! No! Oh my God! Let me go adjust the... So yeah, the battery was dead. It's still charging, right? Yeah. Alright, it's been about an hour. Let's see. Take the time to waste a moment. Alright. Alright, girl. Ready? Damn it. Still needs to charge a lot. Alright, let's see. It's been charging for like 2 hours now. No, not even close. It's cranking a little bit. I guess let it charge for like a couple more hours. Alright, it is the very next day. It took... I had it charging, and then I had to rush out, so... I had it charging all morning now, so we're gonna try again. Now that the battery has time to settle. And it cranked a few times, so let's see if it... Come on, Condor. I need you to wake up for 2026, okay? Let's go, girl. There we go, she lives. Condor lives! Alright, it's raining out, so I'm not going to take you guys out on the big camera, so let's go switch to the GoPro. Alright, I had her running for about 5-6 minutes now, and she's in the warm. Everything looks good. The brake, because I have the emergency brake on, that's what that light is. But yeah, she's alive. Happily running for 2026. I did something naughty. I got something. I did it, yeah. It was $170, but I got it off, 10% off. Coming? Come. Whoa. Oh, 6. Oh, I thought that was 9. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is gonna be fun. What, you wanna go outside? You go outside? Yep, because Daddy's about to be busy. Alright, let's go outside. Alright, I'm taking a break on that. 2 days later. And back to RV life, right? So I've been having an issue with the fridge. I'm pretty sure my thermistor went out. Oh, let me turn this off so I'm stop blinding you. I'm pretty sure my thermistor went out on the fridge because I've been having this issue. When it gets really cold outside, my stuff keeps getting frozen over in the fridge. And so I looked up what to do. Well, to defrost it, I've been turning the fridge on, off, leaving it open. So I'm pretty sure, I looked at the old thermostat. I think it was corroded and it's pretty old. Remember, this is a 1998 So it's 27 years old. This looks pretty old and corroded, so I wasn't surprised, but the connectors in there look pretty good. But it's worked a couple times when I turned it back on, so I'm wondering if this just corroded and or it's just too old. But yeah, either way, the fridge is working now. I went in and replaced it. I got this on Amazon for about $8, and the fuse is right up there. So I just took out the old one and put the new one in and turned on the fridge, and yeah, it's gonna start cooling. Oh, I left the knife in here. But yeah, let's check back in a few hours and see if that worked. But yeah, never a dull moment, right? Let's see if this will keep my groceries good. And then, finally, my new laptop just got here. So I'm gonna set it up now and play with it a little bit. And yeah, I will get back to you on how it is.
He said, you don't bring your boat here, you're not part of this marina, you're not getting our fuel. So then, the cab was like, well, which is only like $20 more than normal price, but like he's filling it in the back of the truck, and they have cameras and everything, so he's like in the back of the trunk of the car filling up, like, and I'm giving him cash like on the side.
And you just admitted all of that on camera.
Yeah.
Way to go! We're probably not ever allowed back in Panama.
I'm able to sail a little bit better. Oh,
Alright, Kylo, you're gonna hate me. Let's see how bad it is. You ready? Oh my god, come on. Holy crap! I guess you can see that for reference. It's not too bad. Alright. You ready? Holy crap. They're plowing the roads at least. Easy, guys. You got cold paws? I know. Come on. I'm sorry. I'll get you some little booties. Come on. Come on, the RV's right there. Come on, keep going. At least you got the pee. Come on, come on, go, go, go. Come on. All right, mister. Good boy. Hang on. I know you're cold. All right, go. Hey, get off the couch. You don't like the snow, do you? Holy crap, my neighbors got stuck. Oh my god. Is that bad? Oh, they made it out! Oh, never mind. Spoke too soon. So yeah, my neighbors in the travel trailer next door ended up getting stuck with the Ford Fusion, so I had to go help scoop out and push. Not push, but scoop a path for them to... Yeah, Kylo wasn't too happy. A little jealous. But they're really nice. I didn't get their names, but I'll get them later. I gotta go get the snow off the roof. Ugh. Literally icicles on the Starlink, but I better be very, very careful up here. So yeah. We survived. Wasn't too bad. Look at the view from up here. Those are my neighbors. They got stuck right there. Oh, let's see. Let's see if you can see from up here. Look at that. Okay, it's super, super dangerous, but yeah, they got stuck right here. And I helped scoop out a little path. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. I look terrible right now, I'm so sorry. But I'm gonna go inside and get all warm. Hopefully you are too. Stay warm, stay safe, drive safe. Wherever you guys are. I'm gonna go drink some hot cocoa and cuddle with my doggo. I did not mean to write that, that's so hilarious. But yeah, I love you guys. See you later.